Okay, so obviously Web3 and the smart contract layer one ecosystems are getting the most adoption. Okay, so in this video, I'm gonna go over a token that's recently been surging in price because of this confirmed thesis. It's called Flux. Okay, Flux token will be reviewed in this video right here, short, sweet, to the point, because I know you guys have short attention spans. But yeah, let's talk about Flux. What's going on, everybody? Alex back with another video. Today we're going to be talking about a token called Flux. Now, I'm making these shorts because it allows me to research more cryptos, and now's the time to do it. I think that there's a potential altcoin season about to happen, and I think that Bitcoin is kind of making room for that. So I'm trying to get into as many different cryptocurrencies as possible. Now, previously, it would take me 2 days to make a video because my videos are like 30 to 45 minutes long, but I'm making these short, sweet, to the point in less than 5 minutes. So if you appreciate this content, do us both a favor, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with a friend. I talk about cryptocurrency entrepreneurship. I keep things down to earth, and I back up everything with as much evidence as I possibly can. And of course, this is not financial advice. If we come over here, you see Flux is currently $2.51, and it pumped 14.5%. Now, I want to be clear with everybody. These videos are pre-recorded. So this might not be, the today's price, the day that you're watching this video. I want to be very clear because people make investment decisions, even though this is not financial advice. And even though I tell you guys to make your own decisions, you guys go ahead and do it anyways. And then you blame me in the comment section. So let me just be very clear. A lot of these tokens I talk about on my YouTube channel, I don't physically invest in myself. I'm just researching and showing you guys information. Okay, just be very clear. You'll know, I'll say if I invest in a coin. Okay, but as you can see here, 24-hour trading volume is 61 million. The market cap is pretty big. It's kind of like at the market cap range I like, which is 500 million. I'm looking for projects that go from 500 million to 1 billion plus. The total supply is 440 million, so it's not like crazy. We just had a recent pullback in the last hour. They have okay liquidity. You guys know I like more than that. Let's just click markets. It's a lower market cap, right? 500 million is not big at all in any way, shape, or form. So you can see you can buy it on KuCoin, Gate.io. It's pretty good liquidity, I will say. It's not out of the ordinary, if that makes sense. If we come over to what it is, let's look at the actual website. It's a decentralized Web3 next generation computational network. There's a lot of these nowadays, don't get me wrong. Now, their unique, I guess you could say, signature use case is the fact that they're using Linux and they're actually proof of work. So you can build Web 3.0 applications as well as decentralized applications and a lot more with this proof of work concept with the scalability as well as kind of like the Linux system, right? The Flux ecosystem is a suite of decentralized computing services as blockchain as service solutions together to offer an interoperable, decentralized Amazon Web Services like development environment. Flux utilizes a native proof of work coin to power this ecosystem, providing incentive for hardware hosters, governance on chain, and bad actor mitigation via staking requirements for running hardware. So basically what they're saying is they use the proof of work consensus mechanism to make sure, this is a secure network. The Flux operating system runs on top of Linux to provide the network with verified enterprise-grade computing power that utilizes the blockchain to ensure transparency and governance operations. So they're using Linux. A lot of people are very familiar with Linux. Flux node operators can choose from 3 tiers of hardware requirements to stand up after providing the necessary Flux capital soft locked in their wallet. This allows almost everyone to be rewarded for providing hardware to the network from anywhere in the world. So that's really interesting. Maybe you could be a node operator in this proof of work network. As you see here, they have a total supply of 440 million and 74 million of that is locked up. So that's actually not bad at all, to be completely honest with you. The circulating supply is definitely out there, so be careful. And as you can see, the price, has been kind of like going parabolic in recent history. So it's probably not the time to buy now, but it's a good time to research it because when it does fall, you can kind of scoop up a bag if that's, what you're looking for. If you come over here, you see they have an actual ecosystem that's thriving. They have Pre-Search, which is basically a decentralized search engine, and you guys can go look into it for yourself. You can just open it up. They have Knitter, which is an alternative Twitter, front end focused on privacy. They actually have a lot. They have a Kusama node. They have a Polkadot node. They're running a Bitcoin version. They're actually running a Minecraft. It's very interesting, how many different applications and different industries they can, utilize with, this proof of work. That's really interesting, guys. If we look at the roadmap, Q3, we're looking at Q4 right now. You can see that they might actually be doing something really interesting because you can see that they're actually doing a lot of marketing related stuff right here. They're actually going to onboard a chief marketing officer, right? And they're just doing so much, right? Launch of Flux Enterprise Service Desk, release of Solana and Tron parallel assets. So they're going to be going more interoperable. They're actually already partnered with Kadena, and they've been going parabolic. Kadena's been doing really well. I'm definitely making a video on that. And if we look at Q1 2022, you could see that they're going to bring NFTs on Flux and kind of just continuous development, which made me think about, okay, how good is their team? Because they look like they're really pulling off what they're saying. I went to it a little bit with the co-founders and stuff like that. To be honest, I was a little bit underwhelmed with their, I guess you could say experience. They have just like the basic, technical capabilities, being a chief operating officer for another business. Zelcore, by the way, is a wallet. I will show you guys the wallet. But he was an engineering consultant, a little bit underwhelmed, okay? But it means that they have something to prove, I guess you could say. This guy has pretty much nothing. He was just a, nuclear scientist. So I don't know. And then the Dan Keller guy, the co-founder, I haven't really seen anything as well. I mean, he has 20 years in IT, in healthcare, nonprofit, charity works, entrepreneur, investor. I mean, he's not really... when it comes to the development, he's not relevant. But they also have a wallet, which is really interesting. This is a single platform for all your digital assets. You can store on different blockchains. That was interesting to me. So they made their own native wallet. Now, when it comes to the UI UX, because I actually did download the wallet, let me just log in really quickly. Like I said, when it comes to UI UX, I don't like it. I think I'm very underwhelmed with this, to be honest with you guys. It doesn't really look, crazy. And they're claiming to solve, like, for example, all the issues that happen with retail and the user experience, but this doesn't look like, something, in my personal opinion, this is horrible. So it's kind of like, I'm the type of guy, you don't drop a product unless it's like complete and really good. And so I was a little bit underwhelmed, and they're over here, claiming, think of Eve as Amazon Alexa or Apple Siri. Like, what? I don't know who wrote this, but the wallet really turned me off a little bit. I mean, it's a cool concept that you can have an interoperable wallet that holds everything and then you can interact with everything. But I'm just a little bit underwhelmed. So that turned me off a little bit, but they are only a $500 million market cap. So yeah, I don't know, cop or drop. You guys let me know in the comment section below. Is this something you would buy, or is it something you're just going to pass up? And maybe I'll talk about another, altcoin, whatever the case is. And maybe it becomes a top, 20 altcoin, whatever the case is. But yeah, that's it for this video. If you like the quality of this content, hit like. If you don't, leave some constructive criticism, subscribe for more video updates. And like I always say, if you don't get with it, you will get left behind. And I want to be very clear, guys. If you want more of these shorts, please let me know in the comment section. If I get, a lot of people liking short content, I'll make a lot more. So just let me know. All right, guys, catch you in the next video.